Hi everyone, welcome to another KLIP demo. Today we are back in the agent library and we are going to walk through how to create a deposition summary. As you can see, we have our two agents once again, medical chronologies and deposition summaries. Deposition summaries are line-by-line extractions of lengthy depositions. We provide a concise yet impactful summary of your documents uploaded or matters created. Let's get into it. On each of our agents, we have two main components once again. Find a matter to locate any matters created within KLIP, and an Upload Files button to upload any files and transcripts that are not already in KLIP. When you click Find a Matter, a search bar shows up, allowing you to input your matter. Let's go ahead and input our matter and choose the second recommended document. Now that our Generate button is available, let's hit that. Once generated, we are brought to the Packages tab, where we can find our deposition summary generating in progress. On each summary, you have the ability to delete the generation or even view the file directly and download if needed. Now let's go ahead and view our deposition summary. If we click View, we can see our deposition summary organized into References, Summary, Topic, and Exhibits. We have the ability to download the summary in multiple formats, and under References can even directly open up the file being summarized. As you can see, it is so quick and easy to create deposition summaries with KLIP, taking hundreds of files and consolidating them in just a few minutes. I'll see you in the next demo.